Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Dear children of class 6th CBSE, myself Rashmi, your science teacher, and today we will study chapter number 8, Body Movements. In this last part of the chapter, we will study about the movement in animals like earthworm, snail, cockroach, birds, fish and snakes. Movement in earthworm. An earthworm has a long tube-like body. The body is made up of many rings or segments joined end to end. Earthworm does not have bones. It has muscles. During the movement, earthworm first extends front part of the body, keeping the rear portion fixed to the ground. Then it fixes the front end and releases the rear end. It then shortens the body and pulls the rear end forward. In this way, by repeating such muscular expansions and contraction, earthworm moves. Movement in snail. A snail is a very slow moving animal having a rounded structure called the shell on its back. The shell is the outer skeleton and is not made up of bones. It does not take part in the movement from place to place and cannot move by itself. Snails also have a pair of tentacles which bear eyes at the tip. Movement in snail take place by a muscular organ called the foot. When the snail starts moving, a thick structure, that is the foot and the head of the snail, come out of an opening in the shell. The thick structure is called foot, which is made up of strong muscles. It helps snail in moving. Movement in cockroach. Cockroaches do not have bones and the body is covered with a hard outer skeleton called exoskeleton, which means skeleton present outside the body. The outer skeleton is made up of different units joined together and it helps in movement. Cockroaches walk, climb as well as fly in the air. They have 3 pairs of legs which help in walking. They also have 2 pairs of wings attached to the breast muscles that help in flying. Movement in birds. Most birds can fly in the air and walk on the ground. Some birds like ducks and swans can swim in water. Birds possess a number of features which help them to fly. These features are: number 1, they have streamlined body which makes it easier for them to move in air. Number 2, bones are hollow and light which make their body light. Number 3, the bony parts of the forelimbs are modified as wings with feather. Number 4, the shoulder bones are strong. And number 5, the breast bones are modified to hold muscles of flight which are used to move the wings up and down. Movement in fish. Fish live in water. To understand how movement in water are caused in fish, we need to observe the shape of a fish. The shape of a fish is like that of a boat. It is narrow in the front and the tail and broader in the middle. The body thus tapers at the 2 ends. This body shape is called streamlined. A streamlined body offers least resistance to the flow of water and allows the fish to move in water easily. Special features are present in fish which help in swimming. Besides the tail, these structures include fins and flexible backbone. The skeleton of the fish is covered with strong muscles. Fins provide stability and direction while swimming and prevent the body from rolling. Thus the fish can swim easily in water. While swimming, Forward movement take place as follows. Muscles make the front part curve to one side and the tail part moves towards the opposite side. Then the front body part and the tail part quickly curve to the other side. This movement produces a jerk and push the body forward. A series of such quick jerks help the fish swim forward. Movement in snakes. Bodies of snake show the following features. Number 1. They have a long backbone as the bodies are long. Number 2. They have thin muscles connected to each other. The muscles, however, are far from each other. Number 3. Muscles are also connected to the backbone, ribs and skin. During the movement, the body of the snake curves into many loops. Each loop gives a forward push by pressing against the ground. Because of the formation of many loops, the snake moves forward very fast. Snakes do not move in a straight line. Last part of the chapter ends here. Hope to meet you soon, children. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay indoor.